here today on the Book Adventure Mobile with Miss J. We are here at the Murphy Library, which is part of the Nantahala Regional Library system.
Yes.
And so the Book Adventure Mobile, I'm excited to let you know, will be at the Max Murphy Art Walk first Friday at the Mill Building in the parking lot. That's 104 Tennessee Street.
Yep.
So I'm excited. Tell us where else we'll be able to find you this summer.
Well, I am going to the Murphy Farmers Market as well.
Okay.
Once a month. I'm going to try to go, I'm going to be out at it. I'm
Yep.
also going to be at the Andrews Farmers Market once a month. That way I could reach those people over in that area.
That's wonderful.
One of the goals, and I am starting to venture a little further, I do serve, Graham and Clay County.
Yes.
So I am trying to get to them once a month as well for their farmers markets because, all of them people love to have books there with them.
And I love when you can do a little 2-for-1. The Murphy Farmers Market is Saturday mornings, and that is there at the L&N Depot, which is right in downtown Murphy. And you have a website with a calendar, which is where we can find you. So you'll definitely want to check that out to see when she'll be there. And tell us a little bit more about what you offer when you come into the BAM, the Book Adventure Mobile.
Yes. So we have revamped. I came in and I have made it where we have our easy books still. We have our board books. We have junior selections, but I have added in, because I've got wonderful donations from another library, we finally have a young adult section over here. We even have young adult nonfiction and books on CD. We've also gotten donations of true crime books, and I love getting more of those.
And the cookbooks.
I
love the cookbooks.
Yes, and even North Carolina local books with local authors, because that is a goal of mine to make sure I focus on the people that we cater to. If you're an author, let me know.
So local authors, local history, just to get
ma'am.
to know more about the region, which is a fascinating region, if I do say so myself.
I do have biographies. I even have graphic novels. I'm trying to get more of those. And I have large print. I have Amish, Westerns, and I have regular fiction. I have romance. Yes.
So
I'm
any genre you may want, you can definitely check it out.
Yeah.
And you accept donations also.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want to donate, you'll want to come into the Murphy Library, pull around. It's a one-way through the back. They're at the carport area.
Yes, the landing. You can put it right on the landing. I also have a bookshelf on the side that you can put them on the shelves on the side if you'd like. And we will gladly take them and use them.
So obviously anything would be greatly appreciated. Are there certain genres that you're wanting to kind of beef up in the offerings that you would like to get?
Well, right now there's a big pull for manga, the manga and the graphic novels. So if you have any manga, Japanese manga, American manga, I know they're starting to try to make their own too, please donate. I'd love to have them. The other thing is, if you have any true crime books, I'm trying to build that up too, because that is a big deal.
Everybody loves those. I'm a chicken. I'm too scared to read those. But a lot of people love that.
So if you have some, you can bring them my way, and I'll put them on here and have other people check them out. That'd be great.
And I love, so let's talk about this.
Yes.
Everybody remembers the old school, like the Walkman.
Yep.
Don't get rid of those.
Please don't. Bring
them to Miss J, because tell us about that program that you're offering for our older patrons of the BAM.
So one of the programs I'm trying to start up is, if I get enough donations, I want to do bag checkouts where it comes with the old school CD player, and it comes with a book on CD. Okay, so as I get more books on CD donated to me or purchased, I will pair them. If the patron wants a particular topic, that's the one that goes with the CD, and they get a month checkout with me.
Oh, that's nice.
Because I visit once a month. But yes, that's my program I'm excited about.
And this is great, because I know I'm already in the reader's phase. And I'm like, I can't, you have to take a picture with your phone and zoom in. And so as things progress, it's great to have this option.
Yeah, and some of my patrons, they read large print, and they're at home, so they're isolated. So I come to them, and I give them their large print books. Well, some of them, as they get older, their eyes, of course, even my eyes are getting worse, and I'm having to get glasses.
Yep.
So I told them that I would start offering this, and they're interested. So I think
It's also a great idea if you're somebody, like I'm not one to sit down often, and so I like to listen to audiobooks like when I go on a walk or when I'm in the like gardening and things like that, or if people like to crochet or knit or paint, you can listen to an audiobook, which was a great option.
Yeah.
And you mentioned checking out packets.
I used to be a teacher, and I bought a lot of kits that were STEM kits, engineering kits, sets of thematic books, whole 9 yards. So I'm going to donate all of my old teaching supplies and put them in crates, label them, and do them as a checkout program for the teachers, because that's one thing as being a prior teacher that we don't get.
It's always a need.
We don't get all these great resources big cities
tends to be one of those extra luxuries that just keeps getting pushed down the budgeting line. So
that's, I just don't have it yet, but look
in
forward
the works.
In the future. Yes,
in the works. So the whole point of mentioning that, if you have anything you can donate, let me know. That would be greatly appreciated also. And you can also make a financial contribution to the Book Adventure Mobile. How best? Just come into the library?
The best way to do that, you come into the library, you can just ask for Jay Ward. You can ask for me, or if there's a librarian there, tell them you'd like to make a donation to the Book Adventure Mobile, and they will take it for you and give you a receipt.
So easy. And while you're here, I remember when my girls were little, every week we were here with Miss Bridget for story time and the summer reading program. It's a great way to occupy your kids and encourage reading, because as they come in, they'll check out books each week. And so when details with that, I know she's got a fun passport.
She does. So she does these at every one of the libraries in the region. You know, she has story time for ages 0 to 6. That's Mondays at 10:30 here at Murphy. But every other library has a different time and a different day that they do theirs. You just find their paper on the website, the Facebook page, or come in and they'll give it to you. Don't worry.
Oh, yes. And I'll link to that also so you can check it.
They even have events for 7 to 12-year-olds. They have a monthly scavenger hunt in June, July, and August. There's summer coloring contests for all ages. And the book thing that I thought was cool, they have a summer activity booklet for ages 0 to 10. So you get the booklet the week of June 9th from the library staff. You bring your booklet with you every time you visit the library this summer. You will collect steps from the library staff members for visiting the library, attending the programs, completing monthly and weekly scavenger hunts. And when you're done, you return your booklet to the library by July 25th, and she'll give you prizes based on your completion.
Ooh. It's kind of like the old Book It days.
Yeah.
Kind of like what Narrative Books Downtown Pizza is doing.
Yes.
They're reading for pizza this summer, which I love.
You can do that through me, too. And the library, because I already talked to them, and they said that it includes us.
On Art Walk nights, when you're at the Max Art Walk on the first Friday, you can stop in at the Mill Building. You can visit Miss J, and then you can also check out what Brooke has to offer there at Narrative Books.
Yeah.
It's perfect. And then read for pizza. Yeah. Who doesn't love reading for pizza?
Oh, my God, I love it.
So there's a ton that you offer here, and I love it. It's very cozy. We have all kinds of fun things.
Seating.
Yes, seating and the cushion. And the pool noodle is brilliant, because I would definitely be the one to hit my head.
Yeah, and being a teacher, I've learned that. Yeah, pool noodles are great for protecting, and I wanted to be safe for my littles, because they love to come in and lay and play all over. And
you have to check it out. Before you check it out, you have to see if you enjoy it and everything.
And every time I set up, I always have tables of free things. We do have a plant seed program.
Oh, I saw that. So if you're interested in gardening and you're stressing out about going, there's a whole catalog system of plant seeds. So it's not too late. It's not too late to garden. You can there's all kinds of things you can plant. And if you want to get started with seeds and everything, come and check it out. And I bet you can find a book on gardening for those of you that don't have a green thumb like myself that need some tips.
And they have it in this particular library. They got such a big donation from the Cooperative Extension. And there's like gardening domes and greenhouses that you can check out, gardening bags, whole 9 yards. And the seed program is not just this library. It's 2 other libraries as well. And I carry them on my bookmobile. So if you need them, and
I told
you're
you she's got it.
The type that can get it from any library if you need it. And if you don't have a library card, guess what?
You can get one.
I can get you a library card. I really can.
There we go. Miss J has everything on the Book Adventure Mobile, or BAM is a good way to remember that. So come and visit her, 104 Tennessee Street in the Mill Building parking lot, at Art Walk, at the Farmers Market, and I'll link to her website so you can follow.
Yes.
She's got a calendar. They've got social media. You can keep up with it.
Yep.
Enjoy the summer reading and listening to audiobooks.
Yes, please.
So thank you so much.
Thank you. I appreciate it.